Hi students, today we are working on page 641. This is still chapter 9, lesson 2. We're going to work with triangles and trapezoids. So let's go ahead and start off by reading the instructions on the bottom of the page. It says use trapezoid and triangle pattern blocks. Find the white shapes in the picture, color the trapezoids red, color the triangles green. Write how many of each shape you colored, describe the shapes. Okay, so if you don't have a green or red crayon, go ahead and grab one. And let's go ahead and look for, what is the first one that they asked for? Trapezoids. So we are going to use red to color in the trapezoid. So a trapezoid usually has 4 sides. And a triangle usually has 3 sides. A trapezoid is also bigger than a triangle. So by looking at the white shapes that we have in this picture, which one do you think is the trapezoid? Right here. This is a trapezoid. So we are going to color this trapezoid red. And if we count, we should be able to find 4 sides and 4 vertices on this trapezoid. So let's count just to be sure that we colored the correct shape. So here's its side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're going to use a green crayon to color in the triangles. So out of all the white shapes that are in the picture, we're going to color all the triangles that we find. So remember, a triangle has 3 shapes, so let's make sure this is a triangle. 1, 2, and 3. So this is definitely a triangle, so we will color this one green. Once we color it, we are going to look on the rooftop of this barn house, and as you can see, these are practically all triangles. So all these shapes up here, we are going to color them green. So go ahead and color your shapes. Remember, a triangle has 3 sides and a trapezoid has 4 sides. So I'm coloring all of my shapes, and I have one more triangle to go, and I'll be all done. Okay, so now that we've colored all the shapes, we've colored the triangles green and the trapezoids red. Now we need to count each of the shapes and find out how many of each there are. So how many triangles did we color? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we colored 5 triangles. And how many trapezoids did we find? We found just 1. So on that line, I will write 1. All right, now we're going to turn the page over. Whoops, wrong page. Right here. And this is page 642, and we are going to work on this one now. So for this one, the instructions tell us, actually they tell us a little bit about the shapes. So let's go ahead and read that together. So follow along with me, please. Triangles and trapezoids are 2-dimensional shapes. They are closed. They have straight sides and vertices. So here's a triangle. 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 vertices. Okay, so here's the shape of a triangle, and we just counted all the sides. So a triangle has 3 sides and it also has 3 vertices. So I am going to trace my 3 for sides and a 3 for vertices. Now over here we have a trapezoid, and a trapezoid has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So go ahead and trace your 4, and then it has 1, 2, 3, and 4 vertices. All right. So now let's look down here at number 1, and let's read the instructions before we solve the problem. So it says write how many sides and vertices. So let's look at this first shape. This shape looks like a triangle, but let's be sure that it is a triangle, and in order to find out that it is a triangle, we need to figure out how many sides it has. Remember, a triangle always has 3 sides and 3 vertices. So let's see. Let's see if this is a triangle. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides, and it has 1, 2, 3 vertices. Okay, now let's look at number 2. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices. Now let's look at number 3. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and it has 1, 2, 3, and 4 vertices. Now let's look at number 4. It has 1, 2, 3 sides, and it has 1, 2, 3 vertices. Okay? Now the bottom problem or question just says, how are a triangle and a trapezoid different? Well, we can say that they are different because a triangle only has 3 sides and 3 vertices, and a trapezoid has 4 sides and 4 vertices. We can also say that a trapezoid is usually a little bit bigger than a triangle in some cases, right? But usually just by saying the amount of sides and vertices, we can tell which one is a bit bigger, right? This one has 4 sides, this one has 3, so there's a little bit of a difference in the sizing. All right, friends, we are all done. You guys did a great job, and I will see you next time.